So I'm extremely proud of myself for doing this. Like, this wig is fire, period. Like, fire. It took me 2 months to do because, as you all know, my back's been hurting because of this baby, but I finally got it done and I'm super proud of myself. Like, oh my gosh, like, this wig is fire, period. So yeah, I used a full lace wig because that's all I had. I will link the video in like the card section or something. The on the wig that I used to make this hair, to make this braided wig, you know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like my wig, and I'll see you guys in the next one.